A
A
B
B
C
C
D
D
E
E
F
F
G
G
H
H
I
I
J
J
K
K
L
L
M
M
N
N
O
O
P
P
Q
Q
R
R
S
S
T
T
U
U
V
V
W
W
X
X
Y
Y
Z.
Z.
Today we will learn about alphabet A and B. It's C, D, E, F, G, H, it's I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, H, W, X, Y, and Z. It's A to Z alphabet tracing